In today's video, we will see 5 ways you can make money using AIs. All 5. These methods require minimal time commitment, as the basic tasks will be done by the AIs. However, it requires a bit of work at the beginning to set up this system, which will then generate for you passive income. Give the video a like. Now for good karma, and let's immediately start with the first method, which is to become an entrepreneur with AI agents. AI agents are changing the game for entrepreneurs. These are automated tools with artificial intelligence that can perform tasks usually carried out by humans, such as customer service, lead generation, sales, creating landing pages and sales funnels, email marketing, and even content creation. How to get started now? First, identify an area where artificial intelligence can improve a business's performance. Then use AI platforms like GPT-4, ChatGPT, OpenAI, Codex to create AI agents. Great, we have the AI agents ready. The next step is to offer AI automation services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or on your own page if you don't want to freelance. And the way you get paid is by offering subscriptions, software as a service, or selling AI automation solutions to businesses. And because this all sounds very theoretical and confusing, let's look at some practical examples of where this can be applied. First of all, AI chatbots. Create and sell AI chatbots to businesses for customer support, appointment scheduling, or sales automation. You can also create AI digital assistants. Automate repetitive tasks such as management, emails, data entry, and research for businesses or individuals. Another example is AI in e-commerce. Use AI for product recommendations, customer interactions, and automated order fulfillment. Finally, another one is AI for business automation. Create custom AI solutions to help companies improve workflows, manage data, and optimize their operations. For this method, specifically for business with AI agents, I have made another video, which I will leave in the video description. It's exactly for this if you want to learn more. The second way is to clone yourself with AI. Avatars created by artificial intelligence and voice and face cloning technology. They now allow you to replicate yourself and create content without being physically present. HeyGene is a leading tool in this field. I'll leave a link in the video description for you to try it out for free. Click on the link you'll find below, and it allows you to create realistic AI-generated videos with your cloned self. And not only that, your avatar can speak any other language. So, here at HeyGene, you have these 2 features: to create a self-cloning video with your own avatar or to translate any video into any other language. What you need to do is train the AI, provide input, give a video. Record yourself in a video of at least 3 minutes, which will serve as the database on which the AI will be trained. To create your own avatar, what it will essentially see is how you move your hands, how you move your lips when you speak, your facial expressions. You need to look straight at the camera when making this video, and upload it. And this will serve as the training for the AI. Then it will create the avatar that will be your clone. It will be you, in the video, and not only that, but you will be able to speak any other language. The ways in which you can make money with HeyGene are numerous, some of which include selling digital products, creating online courses and other educational materials, personalized videos for clients, promotional videos, marketing, branding, and many more. I remind you, the link to HeyGene can be found in the video description for you to try it for free. And this leads us to the next way, which is to become a professional TikToker. Don't worry, you don't need to have dancing skills or anything like that to make money from TikTok. AIs will once again create the content for you, without you even having to show yourself in the videos. And this can be easily done with Pictory. I will leave a link to Pictory in the video description for you to try it for free. So here, what we do on Pictory. We create videos without showing ourselves. The AIs create this video. You can do it in portrait mode, which is the format that mobile phones view, ideal for TikTok. And then you can add voice from AI. You don't even need to speak. You can add your own voiceover if you want, but it's not necessary, because the AIs can speak in this video for you. Or even if you don't have any voice at all, you can simply add music. There are many tracks available. And then download this video to your mobile. Reminder, you will find the link for Pictory in the video description. Also, I've made other videos on exactly how to make money from TikTok. I'll leave those in the description as well. Self-published author or copywriter. Nowadays, you don't need months or years to write a book, as AIs like ChatGPT help you quickly create high-quality content. All you need to do is decide on the topic you want your book to cover. This could be self-help, a guide, or even fictional stories. Then you upload these books to Amazon KDP and earn money from the sale of each book. This method requires zero initial capital because uploading books to Amazon is free, and they take a commission from the sale of each book. Moreover, even if you don't want to become authors, you can make money as a copywriter. Copywriting is a fundamental component of marketing in businesses and content creation. This can be a good side hustle since you can do it alongside your job. Platforms like Freelancer, Upwork, and Fiverr allow you to offer copywriting services on your own time. You can get paid either by the hour or per project. In any case, you set the schedule you will work. Another idea is to develop AI-generated email templates and sell them to businesses, as email marketing is a key pillar in promoting a company's services and products. Number 5. Faceless YouTube channel. This way, there are large profit margins, since there are many ways to make money from a YouTube channel, and in fact, this way combines with the other 4 we discussed above. Again, Pictory will help us here, and you can find its link in the description. Video, with which you can create YouTube videos without appearing on camera. Faceless channels on YouTube are extremely profitable, as they generate revenue from ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, communities, selling digital products, and much more. So here, at Pictory, we take a text and it automatically turns it into a video in the form of scenes. Each scene corresponds to 2 to 3 sentences. So we separate the sentences and the text beforehand, so it gives us the corresponding scenes. The scenes it produces are automatically generated by artificial intelligence and are relevant to what you say. Whatever the sentence says, that is, the scene is also relevant. Then we can add AI-generated voice, or our own recording, or even music, or both. We download the video to our device and it's ready to be uploaded to YouTube, without us making the video. I remind you, the link for Pictory can be found in the video description, where I will also leave related guides that I mentioned at some points in this video, for those of you who want to learn more. So that was today's video. As always, stay away from scams and see you in the next video.